about the paper trading accounts, baby. Okay, the paper trading accounts. So I went home and did a little preview of the Webull Paper Trading account, and I've been using it for a while, so I highly recommend do your research. Get started with a paper trading account, baby, before you burn like that fire I'm doing over there. You don't want to burn the stock market without doing your research. Okay, so get some paper trades in before you do some real trades. And remember, be blessed to invest in yourself from the Money Coach. Don't burn in the fight. The stock market fight, baby. Do your research. Yahoo Finance. All right. Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV. I am your host, the Money Coach. Let's get into the paper trading account. Okay. Now when you go to Webull, you know you're right there. You see all at the beginning, down at the bottom. You got the market list. Let you know what's going on. Give you a few stocks. All right. And you got down there, you got the markets. Show you what the United States is doing, the cryptocurrency, and globally. Okay. All right. But get down to this right hand side. You see that menu button? Get that menu, okay? And right down at the bottom, you see paper trading. Click on paper trading. Boom. Once you click on paper trading, they give you $1 million, okay? This is where you can start and test out. And this is what I did my first to let me know that if I was going to decide to start using real money, okay? And as you can see, some of these I'm down, but only a few. Like this one, I'm down a lot. I'm down 23,000 in this one. I might have to do something about that. Okay, but paper trading, this way you can buy 100 shares of Apple. You see, about 100 shares of Apple. If this was real life, I would have made $1,614 if I would have bought Apple on 9/4/2020. $420.14. I would be doing good right now. Okay. Only 1.21% in opposition ratio, but hey, you know, it's an increase. You get what I'm saying? Let's go with Dave & Buster's. I told folks about Dave & Buster's when they were sitting at $16. Now look at them, they got 30. If you'd about Dave & Buster, boy, I can tell you. So, all right. Now, since you see the paper trade, you see you can buy. I love Nano. You see I'm up in my Nano position. You see right there? I bought 15,000 of them at $6.88. I still like Nano. Now, this is another way you can show you how to purchase a stock on Webull. You hit that bottom. You see the bottom, you got buy, sell, close, and quotes. You hit that buy button. Boom. Now this pulls up. Now you got your order type. Okay. When you click that order type, you got two. You get the market limit. That means direct price right then and now. You order right now for whatever it is. Or you got limit. I like to go with the limit. Okay. Now the limit, you can change it. See there right here, you can take it to $7.83. If you say, hey, I only want to pay $7.83 for it. That's what I feel it's worth today. You know, you can set that limit. It might not make it, it might not feel, but you can set that limit. Okay. See right now, it's at 859. So I'm gonna go with the 850. And I'm gonna go with 500 shares. It's paper money, baby. I got that paper money. Okay. Now you got right here quantity. You can go up, down with the quantity. Okay. The little plus sign is simple for you. You can do the same thing with the limit price. Up, down, limit down, limit price. Okay. So let's make it to 55 just for that. Okay. Then you got the extended hours. And if you see right here, tips for extended hours. By not clicking yes for extended hours, orders can be filled during regular trading hours. Okay, and they give you the regular trading hours, which is 9:30 to 4. 1600 is 4 o'clock for civilians. Okay, Now, if you click on yes, that means you got all the way after hours until 8 o'clock for that order to fill. You get what I'm saying? Or you can get in the pre-market. That's why I like Webull. They give you more options, baby. You can buy stocks 4 o'clock in the morning. That's why I like Webull. Okay? Now you get down here, you want to buy your 500. Do you want the extended hour? Let's go with the extended hour just in case if it don't go through. And you're going to hit paper trade. Boom. It's done. You just put in the order for it, okay? Now you're just waiting. All right? And look at Tesla. Boy, look at Tesla. Tesla been doing me so good. See when I tell you about buying Tesla? That's in the 429 range. About 150. Then once it went to 460, about 300 more. I'm still up, okay? You know what? You can buy Tesla, okay? So this gives you a preview so you can play. I recommend playing with this. Like, that's the reason why I like the Google, because that's the reason why I want Google, because Google been doing me okay. I like Google. It ain't that risky. I know Google. You know what I'm saying? I'm rolling with the Google, baby. All right. So that is your paper trading intro. So, and right here you see trade, orders, performance, and contest. They even got contests for you. You can click on the contest button. They even got client contests right here. Okay, you can get in there, get you some free little things or whatever they got going on. Okay. And you got your performance. Your performance lets you know exactly how much money you've been making and what you've been doing since I opened it, or for 1 month's performance. You know what I'm saying? I'm up 4.27% in the last month. Annually, I'm up 63%. Okay. Got some dividends going, $152 in dividends. You know, and you got your stock. It lets you know right now what money you at. So far, to tell you the top dogs: Tesla gave me 96,000, Nano 25,000, Google 13,000, Exxon Mobil 11,000. I need to sell that because I need to get rid of that. Amazon ain't hitting me on nothing so far, boy. They ain't gave me shit. Okay. All right. Then you got your orders. This is where you went and buy. So like you see, I just put in a Nano, about 500 shares. Boom, it's filled. Neo, okay, let you know what all you bought. That way you keep track of it. Then you got your Berry Vest one. You got your trade. This is where you buy, okay? This is where you buy. All right. Now, let's go to, for example, let's go with a play that I talked about. Let's go with IPOC, No, let's go with Macy's. Macy's. I told y'all Macy's. I wanted to get Macy's at $10. 9C9's up at $11.75. Okay. Boom. You hit that paper trade. Right now, I'm going with the market. I want it right now. I ain't got time to play. I'm on 500. Give y'all an example. If you played that Macy's play, so 500 shares of Macy's would come up to $5,755. Okay. I ain't got that, but I'm gonna use the paper trade. So now I'm paper trade, boom, and I just bought it Macy's. So now within a month we're gonna see what that Macy's did if I'd have spent that money on Macy's. Okay, gotta tell you, Macy's is gonna go up to at least $1, baby. We might do 21 Savage. Maybe Macy's gonna hit 21 Savage. And I just said it. Yep, I feel it. Macy's gonna hit that 21 Savage on you. Wait till they get these checks out. Need folks start spending that money back. Boom, Macy's. All right. So that's your preview and intro to paper trade, baby. You can just buy all kinds of stocks, okay? Remember, hit that little trade button. Boom. You go down here, you want to buy some more Apple? You click on Apple. Boom, you trade Apple. Bam, you can buy it, okay? Get in there. And remember, be blessed to invest in yourself. All right. Let me look at my place while I'm up in a little bit right here. Told y'all clean spark. Look at that clean spark doing good. That clean spark. Would you look at that? 95%, baby. I just needed to put more money on it. Instead of a little couple of hundred, I should have put 1,000 on it. Then I'd have more money, baby. All right. Nano. I told y'all about Nano. See, I just keep buying Nano. 2, 3 here, 2, 3 there. You don't got to have a lot. I first started off when it was $3. Oh, I like Nano some more. Bought some more when it was $4. Bought some more when it was $4. I bought 2 at 10. Now that 10 I shouldn't have bought, but hey, I just love Nano if I'm in it for the long term. So I just went on and got it. This is gonna be a play. VGAC. All right, VGAC. Let's get into what VGAC is. I told y'all VGAC Corp is a blank check company, baby. The company is created for the purpose of affecting a merger, baby. Okay, this is for a merger, share exchange, asset acquisition, share purchase, recognition, or similar business combination with one or more businesses. The company focuses on businesses that operates in consumer-facing industries in the United States and Western Europe. The company has no operations and has not generated revenues. Okay, so they ain't made no money yet. So that's why I like them. They just getting babies. I like the babies. I like the new babies. All right. And you get the analysts. The analysts tell you what to buy. You get comments. You got news. Okay. Go get all kinds of things. So ain't no reason why you should do this. All right. And you see the free stocks. You get your free stocks. Okay. Free stocks. Don't get them free stocks, baby. Free stocks. You can get that paper trade. Yep. Paper trading. Let's go. Now imagine if I had some real money. I'd be having some real money. Alright? Be blessed to invest in yourself. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Please, if you want to watch any other stock videos, click on this link right here. Thanks for watching. And remember, be blessed to invest in yourself. Hit that subscribe